Press 5. Tol, captain lang ang magreklamo sa tibol ha. Captain lang, captain.
Give me a sec.
Alright, back to the ball game. Alright, black ball. Is no good. Palit kayo. Basket yellow. Number 80. No good. Rebound again, yellow. Wala. 2-0. No good. Rebound by number 46. Sige. Tol, ang bola ha. Black ball ang una. So yellow ang sunod ha. Ilista nyo. Alright. Wala. There's a foul. Number 82 on block. 82 on block foul. 82 on block foul. Wala.
Right. Thanks anyway. Come in. You're a gentleman.
Pwede tatlo rin. Tatlong corner pwede rin. Number 82 to 21 to 46. Oy! There's a foul. Who's foul with? 24 on yellow. 24 on yellow. Sino bang 24? Wala namang 24 eh. Ito pala. Second shot. Pasok. For 3, no good. Rebound by number 1. Oy, ganda. Easy basket on yellow. Number 83. 93 on yellow. 93 on yellow. Number 10, Tomera. Yes. Number 10 on block. Walang 10, lagyan mo. Jan, ang pangalan. Ini iba yung Johnny. Ref, time out. Table time out, ref. Table time out. Alright. 82 to 45. Oy, there's a foul. 93 foul on yellow. Wala ang una. Pangalawa, pasok. Number 80. To number 1. Oy, tapal ball kasel.
7 seconds shot clock, boys. 7 seconds shot clock. Intercepted. 24 shot clock, 24. Oy, sayang. Symbol. 21 to 46. Pasok. 3 points. 3 points by number 46. Long shot. No good. 21. Rebound by number 80. Number 80. Nagmamadali. Huli. Okay, there's a foul on 17. Foul on 17. There's a foul on number 17, yellow. Ay, bali ang pasa. 24, tumira, pasok. Ready for substitution. $21 for 3. Yes. Briones for 3. $24 for 3. Bale, no good. Rebound by number 46. Number 82. Play on. Rebound by 24. Number 80 nagmamadali. Wala. Rebound by number 10. Number 10, Cardona. 46. Briones for 3 again. Pasok na naman. Umiinit ang kamay ng Briones. 17 nagdadala ng bola. Number 1 to number 2-in-1. Ganda. Time out, yellow. Time out, yellow. Back to the ball game, yellow ball. All right. Pasok, number 4 on yellow. Easy basket on number 4. Number 84. Lumiap ang layo. Pasok! Number 84 on yellow, 2 basket. Sandali. Pasok!
Si Bagadyong, sino ang sabi? Sam, si Dinis. Si Dinis dapat sa hidang technical, sabi ba? Umuwi na. Ha?
Ayusin nyo ah. Three points!
Right, go ahead.
Foul 93. Two personal foul. Foul, Michael. 4-0 foul. Sub.
Pakulang lang.
Sub rep.
Sige, score. 24-19 na, 24-19. 24-19 yan.
All right, back to the ball game.
Sila po hindi na.
All right, second shot. Pasok.
Yung nakahapon lang. May trabaho eh.
Black ball. Number 82. Oy, line ball on number 10. Number 24 to number 1 for 3. No good. Rebound by Ben. No good. Sayang. Cardona 82. Tumira, walakas. Substitution, ref. Substitution. Substitution. Substitution, yellow. Alright. Oy, lampas. Oy! Nauna ang bam. Nauna ang bam. Sayang. Ako na nag... Oy, there's a foul. Foul on number 4, Ben. Substitution, ref. Substitution, ref. Oh, foul! 5 fouls, penalty. Oh, dalawa pa kayo kasi yellow kanina eh. Pasok. Pasok ang una. Saan yung yellow niya? Binigay niya? Hindi ba last touch yellow. Oy. Shot clock. 14 yung shot clock. Oy, basket. Horsepower rep 17, foul on yellow. Timeout, black. Bonus shot on black. Si Jitoy. 84. May nung dalawang 3. May... Sino ba parang division 3 ka na talaga eh. Tapos hindi na tumatakbo. Pasok! Oh, pure 3. Nakadalawang 3 na siya. Intercepted 24. 84 shoot shot, yes. Cardona. 45 long shot, no good. Rebound by number 89 Orelo. 24. Oy! Last touch yellow. .46 for 3. No good. Rebound by 84. Malayo pang oras. Plenty time. Oy! Naabutan ng line ball. Alright. Interview though. What can you say about the new menu in Masagana?
I don't have any idea. Very, very delicious. You guys should support Masagana, please. They're based in Ingleburn. I was going, hey, jam, sa kayo. Hindi pa kayo pwede umuwi.
Alright, thank you. Black ball, yellow defense. May copy na, mamaya, pagkatapos. Pasok. Wala! Rebound by number 10. Pass to 21. Oy, naagaw. Naagaw ng number 1. Number 1 ngayon. Number 4. Pasok. Easy basket on number 4. Ben Palingyo. Jason to number 46. To number 45 to 21. 21 to number 10. Jump shot. No good. There's a foul on number 46 on block. Foul 46 on block. Number 4. Number 1 for 3. Lakas talaga. Number 21 on block. Pass to Gonzalez. Gonzalez to Maloy. Lost the ball. 1-on-1. Oy! 45 to number 10. Oy, intercepted. Pass to number 1 again. Another layup. Yoy! Ano ba yan? May ginagawa to, may ginagawa. Oy, there's a foul. Lost ball foul on number 4. Substitution, ref. Substitution. 21, Briones to number 45. 46, wala. Rebound by number 80. Number 80 to number 4, easily up. Yun, muntik na rin. Easy basket on number 4. Humabol na po. Humabol na ang yellow. Konting-konti na lang. Gonzalez for 2. No good. Symbol tayo. Symbol black ball. $49 for 3, no good. Again, black ball. Number 10, tumihit, wala. Pasok. $84 to 80. Goes in. Nugget. Rebound by 93. Jump ball. Yellow ball tayo, yellow ball. Substitution rep. Yellow ball, yellow ball. Substitution. 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 All right, play on. 4-3 Nugget. Rebound by number 46 to 82. 82. Oy, sayang. Number 80. Number 80 goes in. Number 1 again for 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 14. Number 80 for 3. Oy! There is a foul basket. Basket count. Anspo. There is an Anspo foul. One free throw. What personal foul yun? Oh. Anspo. Wala. Alright, ball position tayo. Alright, back to the ball game. Adrian. Alright, black ball, 45. Easy basket on number 10. Number 80 for 3 again. Wala. Rebound by 46. $45 to number 10. Number 10, Omiko tumira. Pasok. Number 1 now. To 24. 24 to 80. Tumira. Pasok. Time out. Block. Time out. Block. 3 points on the black ball tayo. Black ball. Alright. Baloyot. Going. There's a foul. Pushing foul. 63, pushing foul on yellow. 14 Number 21 for 3. Ay, there's a foul basket. Bonus shot. Basket count. Foul on 80. Two shot. One shot. Bonus shot. Rebound, rebound. Uy, wala. Oh, there's a line violation. There's a line violation. Wala din. Oh, there's a foul. Foul on number 89. 89 foul, 89 foul. 89 on yellow. Pasok. Yellow, warning on penalty. Pasok din ang pangalawa. Boom! Pasok! Ganda. Ay, ganda rin. Umiinit ang yellow. Wala. Rebound on yellow. 10 second shot clock. 8. Substitution rep. Substitution. You have 4 seconds to shoot. You have 4 seconds to shoot. Oy, there's a foul. Foul on black, 45. Pasok. All teams warning for penalty. Both teams warning for penalty. Number 21 for 3. Wala. Number... Oy! Symbol tayo, symbol tayo. For 3. Nugget. 89 tumikot. Ganda pa. Uy, sayang. Basket. Uy! End of the third quarter. Black ball tayo, black ball. Ano po, dyan. Hindi makita. Number 21. Pass to 82 to 46. Drive, wala. Oy, line ball. Line ball tayo, line ball. Ha? Hindi dapat na eh. No, dito siya. Yellow has the ball. Number 24. 24 to number 4. To number 93. 93 goes in. There is a foul. Foul on number 46. First team foul on the black. Wala. Ready for rebound. Yun, pumasok. There's a foul. There's a foul on number 1 on yellow. Number 1 on yellow. Seconds to shoot. 3-point shot, no good. Rebound by yellow. Oi! Oi, there's a foul. Foul on 93. 93. Tama yan, tama yan. Substitution, ref. Substitution. Pasok. Pasok parehas. Score is 39-49 by 5 ball position. Tomera, yes! For 3, yes! For 3, Ben, no good. Rebound by Mike. Long shot, no good. Ganda ng pagkahuli. Celia, oy, lumampas. Oy! Sabla. Pasok. 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 Oh, pumasok. Walang sub yun. Walang sub. Play on yun. Walang sub. No. Dead ball lang tayo. Dead ball. Pelengyo for 2. Time out! Block! Oh, black ball. Dito na yung mga Lodi. Pumasok eh. Dapat hindi na siya maglaro dyan. Oo. Last quarter na to. Pasok! Ngayon lang, pagkabayan na natin next time. Hindi na maglaro siya. Next time pa. Nakalaro na eh. Next time. 13 seconds to shoot. For 3. Wala. Rebound on Ben, number 4. Humahabol na ang yellow. Goes in. Simbo. 18 seconds to shoot. Wala. Isa pa. Wala rin. Oy. Up. There's a foul. There's a foul. May tawag na, may tawag na. Foul, Jasper, 45. 14 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. Long three, no good. Rebound by number 10. Pag wala pa yan, yun, finally. Bayad na ba yung mga ball? Bayad yan, ha? Yun! Pasok na, umabol na. Konti na lang, konting-konti na lang. Oy! Offensive foul on number 10. Offensive foul on nakitang-kita sa CCTV. Gumalaw ang timeout block. Oy, there's a foul. House foul rep. Warning for penalty block. Warning for penalty block. 14 seconds to shoot. For three, wala. Pasok. Takbo na. Bung, hindi makita mo. Pasok. Oh, there's a foul. There's a foul. Penalty, 2 shots. Penalty, 2 shots. Oh, Francis is in the house now. Welcome, Francis. Pasok. Welcome, Francis. Goes in, no good. Rebound by Black. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Yellow. Pasok. Ang ganda. Foul. Tumalikod. Tumalikod ka, sir. Tumalikod. Foul. There's a foul. Tumalikod. 93. Warning for graduation. 93. Wala. Oy, wala rin. Nagmamadali ang 80. Pasok! Ganda, konti na lang. 1 shot. 1 ball position. 1 minute to go, boys. 1 minute. 1 minute. 56 seconds. Umabol ang yellow. Oy! Oy! Nakikita. Warning for penalty. Warning pa lang, warning pa lang. Warning pa lang. Time out, yellow. Time out, yellow. 35 seconds. (82 to 21). 21, oy, nabitawan. Ay, ganda. Ganda. 62-58. For three! Yay! Pumasok! Pumasok! 16 seconds to go. Oy! Nabitawan. Foul! There's a foul! There is a foul! Penalty! 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 Wala na pong shot clock. Two shots tayo, 2 shots. Wala nang timeout. Both teams no more timeout. Wala. Ready for rebound, ready for rebound. Wala na pong shot clock. Time na lang, ha? Wala nang shot clock. Substitution rep. All right. Wala. Oh, there's a foul. Oh my God. Penalty. Penalty. There's a foul on number 21. 2 shots, 2 shots. Madali pa to.
Dapat hindi natin yan. Oo, pag na-shoot ka.
Hey! Time, ha? That's the time. Last shot, ready for rebound. Sobra na po. Sobra. Alright. Hey! Overtime pa to. Uy! Anong tawag?
Hindi, may foul. May foul.
Okay. Inbound. Wala nakahawak ng bola.
What are you doing?
Sandali. Sandali. Mahina ang kalaban. Alright, 1.9. Hindi na po ma-adjust yan. Alright, play. Overtime po tayo. 3 minutes. O, jump ball tayo, jump ball. 3 minutes, 1 minute, stop clock, yeah? Alright. Offensive foul and block. Number 46. Foul 46, block. Block, foul. No. For 3, no good. Rebound by number 46. Number 12. Wala. Cardona for 2. Yes. (62, 63). Easily up on number 82. Yes, 3 points. 3 points. Tuloy na to, hindi makita. Sab lang pag may dead ball. 1 minute. 46 for 3, no good. Rebound by Yellow. Bartolome tumira ng malayo, wala. Oy, there's a foul. Substitution, ref. Substitution. Foul on number Bartolome. What's his name? 24. Warning for penalty teams. Yeah, stop clock na yan. Wala. Rebound by Yellow. Yellow on the run. Oh, there's a foul. Basket. There's a foul basket. Yeah, penalty na po tayo. Hospital rep. Dalawa na. Run over the line. 50 seconds, sir. 50 seconds. Hey! Traveling violation. Traveling without passport. One by 1 for 3, no good. Cardona. Walang tawag. Yellow ball tayo. Wala na pong shot clock. Oy, there's a foul. 2 shots. Walang tawag. Wala na pong shot clock. Ay, meron pa pala. 14. 4 fouls on number 10. Pasok! Walang timeout. Sasaktan! Per 3, lakas! Rebound by 80. Oh, there's a foul. There's a foul. There's a foul. 5 seconds to go. 2 shots. Nadali sa 3. Nadali sa 3. Ha? Yeah, 24 foul fouls. Wala ang una. Oh, isang 3 na yan. Isang 3 pa yan. You want 3 points. Quick 3 points. Alright, rebound. Yun, that's it. Wala na yun. Bang! AJ.